Welcome to Extricate, this is Zoe. Air India Engineering Services Limited Recruitment 2023. In this video we are going to see, brief of AIESL job notification, post lists, number of vacancies, job description, eligibility criteria, interview date and venue, and application form. Aircraft technician, maintenance or overhaul. Aircraft technician, avionics, electrical or instrumental or radio. Technician, fitter or sheet metal carpenter, upholstery, painter, welder, machinist. Technician, X-ray or NDT. Number of vacancies are 325. Reservation as per government directives. Selection procedure through walk-in interview. Interested candidates are required to appear for registration, followed by trade or skill test or personal interview. Walk-in schedule for aircraft technician, A&C and avionics on Friday of 31st of March 2023. Address: Personnel Department, A320, Avionics Complex, near New Custom House, IGI Airport Terminal 2, New Delhi, 110037. Walk-in schedule for aircraft technician, fitter, or sheet metal, or carpenter, or upholstery, or painter, or welder, or machinist, or X-ray, or NDT, on Tuesday of 11th of April 2023. Address: Personnel Department, A320, Avionics Complex, near New Custom House, IGI Airport Terminal 2, New Delhi, 110037. Maximum age limit, as on the 1st of March 2023, for General or EWS is 35 years. OBC, 38 years and SC or ST, 40 years. Age relaxation to ex-servicemen will be permitted as per government directives in this regard. Emoluments, 25,000 rupees per month at the time of joining as per the approved salary structure of AIESL. Application fee is 1,000 rupees, by means of demand draft drawn in favor of AI Engineering Services Limited payable at New Delhi. Application fee is non-refundable. No fee for SC or ST or ex-serviceman candidates. Application form for various jobs is attached in job notification, PDF file. Interested candidates are requested to read the entire notification before applying for the job. Beware of fake job offers. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.